Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing 6 snacks for kids' little mini breaks. At least my daughter gets a little mini break before lunchtime, and I like to use this container sometimes, and then I use a little Ziploc bag depending on the snack. And then these silicone little holders are so cute, and I like to put them in there just to make it fun for her. First thing is some crackers, grapes, and a cheese string. And I'll go ahead and leave a link if you're interested in this container. Next is sweet potato puffs. They're so good, you guys. You have to try them. Some popcorn and pretzels. And these are delicious. This is oat banana muffins. They're delicious. I'll leave the recipe down below with some strawberries and pretzels. Super easy recipe. Now if you don't want to give them 2 minis, I also made a little bigger version of it. They're so good. Alright, and this is a turkey with cheese, a roll up with a pretzel stick, and I just cut a square cheese in half and then put it in the middle of the cheese and rolled it up and put in the pretzel in the middle, you know, just to make it fun for her. And finish it off with some strawberries. And lastly is grapes again. My daughters love grapes, and some carrots and a string cheese. Thank you so much for watching, loves. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Bye.